How to find messages for projects on Yelp. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can find messages for projects on Yelp. So the first thing to do is to log in into your Yelp's account, just like I have done here. So the first thing to do once again is to move to the top part of the screen where you can see some icons such as the Yelp logo, search box, Yelp for business, write a review, some icons, and then your profile icon. When you see your profile icon, click on it. In the box displayed, you'll see options like About Me, My Collections, Find Friends, Account Settings, Project. And then just go ahead and click on Project. So after clicking on project, you will revert to your project page. And the next thing is to select the project, which messages you would want to check or find. After selecting the project, you will brought to the messages page automatically. You see messages and then you see project details. Now, if there is anyone who has sent you a message, you will get a notification here. All right, and then you can just easily select the message and then make after selecting the conversation would open by the left side of the screen here. So to send a message, just type into the search box and then type out your message and then it will be sent to the person automatically. All right, so this is how you can find messages for projects on Yep. Very simple and direct. Thanks for watching and have a good day.